Guys, I'm so hungry. I don't know what to say. I just want to say, why are we Nigerians are so heartless and wicked? Let me say 50% of them, they are very wicked. Why must you be a wicked to your own fellow sister and brothers? Hello family, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome. Those of you don't know me, my name is Joan. Okay, so in this channel I talk a lot of things. Okay, I'm into hair, and then I still have another channel where I do decoration and cooking there. Okay, that one is Joan Co, why this one is Joan Ifo. So yeah, I give you people any latest things, that anything that come my way that I know that it will benefit you, so I will put it in this place. Guys, today topic, I just want to talk, I just want to discuss this and how I feel, and you people should leave your comments down below. Okay, so if you know that you are not yet subscribe for my YouTube channel. Okay, hit the notification bell in case I have no new videos, so you will be the first person to be notified. Guys, why are we so wicked to ourselves? This is a big question. Why are we so greedy and heartless? It's not good. Don't be a greedy and heartless to other people. If somebody is growing than you, better than you, pray. Let God, tell God, say, God, let me be like that person. Let me grow more than that person. Don't try and draw somebody down. Don't do that. Okay, don't draw somebody down because of heaviness. And most is friends that do these things. Why are we so wicked? Why? Doing it for what? I don't know. Okay, what is the matter of today? Is this video that they are doing? This thing happened in Italy. Okay, the person live in Italy. Okay, the person already bought away, and they go and cash it in another airport. Guys, this is only friends. Maybe the person told the friend, this is what I'm doing, or this is where I keep this money. They went to go and choke this person, that this person is transporting money from Italy to Nigeria. Now, my question for that person, what did you gain doing this thing? What did you gain? Did you gain any benefits? No, you did not gain anything. Okay, you did not gain anything. If you are doing that thing, stop. Seek for the face of God, because it's not only in Italy, all over the world where Nigeria are, this is what they are doing. I remember in those days in Libya, they still do these things. They are still doing it. You cannot even tell your fellow friend that you have money. You cannot even tell your fellow friend, this is what I'm doing. I don't blame most people that did not trust Nigeria, because this is what we Nigerians are doing. We cannot even support ourselves for good thing. No, it's only bad thing, bad thing, bad thing. That is the only place you can hear all Nigerian name. If you go and do something in Nigeria, they will say no. I remember years back when I'm working, this lady came and looked for work. Then my boss woman answers, are you a Nigerian? He say yes. He say, I'm sorry, I can't take you for work. Why? Because number one, the way we are behaving to ourselves. Number two, the things that we are doing is not good. This one will be for another day. I will talk that one another day, guys. Why must we always, our name must be on all the page that be bad things, That is the only place that you can see Nigerians. It's not good. Even though the person do you bad, don't mind. Pray for God for forgive. Or maybe it's not the person intention that the person reacts to you, but it's not the reason why. It did not give you the guts to go and choke that person, to go and tell police, this is what this person are doing, this is what this person are, this is like this. Oh my God. Don't do that, guys. Guys, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Even now, post-pay, they say they're not even to open for Nigerians again because of the things that Nigerians are doing. First of all, if we go to somewhere, you will see that we not have, most of them, they don't have manner of approach. Talk anyhow, do anyhow. It's not only we, the foreigners in this country. They still have every other foreigners. Guys, it's not good. We need to change. I will put this video for you to watch, guys, to see what happened. The person is almost gone far. They took all this money. And this money, I know that this money is not belongs to this woman alone. I know that this money belongs to people that say how to help me push. You know, you guys know how this thing is going. Why must we be a wicked? Why must we be a bone to somebody? Why? To somebody's neck? Why? Why must we be a just heavy somebody for what the person is doing? If the person is progress, pray for that person to progress. God will answer you. We don't need to do all these things. We Nigerians, we need to change. Guys, you need to change. Because as I am, if I went to go and tell somebody I'm Nigerian, will look me with another eyes. Because we feel that all Nigerians are the same thing. And it's not like that. Okay, guys. I'm begging all Nigerians, please. Mostly Nigerians, I'm begging. This disgrace, this shameful thing always that we are doing, guys, is too much. You people should stop. Be disgrace. Stop. You don't need to go and sell out your brothers or your sister out. Try and protect them. Even though that you hear information that police is coming, protect that person because it's your so-called Nigerian like you. Don't go and do that. It's not good. It's very wicked thing. It's not good. And this thing is spoiling all Nigerians all over the world. Die, guys. You people should try and stop, okay? So, guys, I just want to leave your opinion, what you think on this video, guys. If you know that, I will leave the video. So, if you know that what you saw here, you love it, guys, subscribe, a thumbs up, okay? So, don't forget, leave your comments, okay? So I know that your comments will help somebody out there if we get there to read. Okay, guys, have a wonderful, stay clear, okay? I know that all Nigerians, they are not the same thing, but we have to change. I love you guys.
Un corriere di valuta di nazionalità nigeriana è stato individuato e denunciato all'aeroporto Leonardo da Vinci di Fiumicino dai finanzieri del Comando Provinciale di Roma, in collaborazione con il personale dell'Agenzia delle Dogane e dei Monopoli, mentre tentava di esportare clandestinamente 120.000 euro in contanti. L'attenzione delle fiamme gialle del gruppo di Fiumicino e dei funzionari dell'ufficio di Roma 2 è stata attratta dalla frequenza con cui l'uomo si spostava dal territorio nazionale. Al momento del check-in, prima di un volo diretto a Istanbul, da cui avrebbe proseguito per la Nigeria, l'uomo ha tentato l'imbarco di una scatola contenente un televisore. L'accurata ispezione dell'elettrodomestico ha permesso di rinvenire al suo interno banconote di vario taglio, di cui l'uomo non è stato in grado di giustificare il possesso. Il Corriere è stato denunciato alla Procura della Repubblica di Civitavecchia per il reato di riciclaggio e l'intera somma è stata sequestrata. Dall'inizio dell'anno sono stati intercettati flussi di valuta non dichiarata per oltre 1,5 milioni di euro.